Hi everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with the House Mouse collaboration for December 2021. This is the final in this series for 2021, and the theme for this month is Happy Holidays. And we published a video in 2021, the first of every month. I have a playlist that you can look back on, and there's also folks in the description that have joined this collab and are doing videos with their House Mouse projects. And this is the final project for this year. I don't think Deb Hauk with Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage is going to be continuing this for next year. But if you're a House Mouse fan, check out House Mouse fans on Facebook. There's also a group, like a blog, House Mouse and Friends weekly challenge, that you can see everybody's projects or join and submit your own projects for the challenge. This has always been a great collab. We've done this for a few years now. Gracie21 originally started it, but then she had some health issues and unfortunately she passed away. So we did it this year, commemorating, kind of just honoring her and our love for House Mouse. So this is my final project. This is a stamp that I've had in my stash for quite some time. It's a wood stamp originally, but they also have it in cling mount. And I watercolored it and just used some of my Prang watercolors to mix up a nice dark green color. I used the regular green with some blue and a little bit of black just to darken it up, a tiny little bit of black. And I used the red just to color the berries. And I actually used my Copic markers to color the blue sky in the background because I'm not having a lot of luck with watercolor lately. So it's just a touch of blue with a little peaks of white to represent clouds, and it's a really sweet sentiment and a really sweet stamp. Also, I used, this is some card bases with envelopes that I got from Michaels. I think the brand is going to be Recollections. And I used some items that I recently got from Jan Evers at Quality Crafts. This product is called Starform Stickers, and it's just a single sheet of stickers with lines. This is like scallop lines, and then it has these little types of strips as well. So I just add a little touch of that gold to the card to really pick it up a little bit. And these little holes left little dots of gold, so I used those around the reef to accent the little berries in there. And the card background is just, it's a really nice plaid, red and green plaid. And since it's so busy, I didn't want to do much else but add those little hints of embellishment on it. And that's my project, my final project for the year. Please take a look at the playlist that I have for House Mouse. You can go to my playlist channel. If you look above this video, there's a button that you can push to find all of my playlists, and you'll be able to see the various projects that I've done for the past few years in this House Mouse collab that I've been in. I want to thank Deb from Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage for running this collab. I always love using my House Mouse stamps, and it was fun. Definitely fun to work with them. Again, don't forget the others in the collab. Please check them out. Thank you so much for stopping by and taking a look at my video. I appreciate you so much. Bye.